In the heart of the forest, where the sunlight gleams, there's a place where the world slows and we live our dreams. Waterfalls cascading like diamonds in the air. Nature's song is playing and it calls us there. Oh, the waterfalls sing a melody so sweet. Streams are whispering secrets at our feet. In the embrace of flora, where the wildflowers bloom, we find our peace in nature's quiet room. Listen to the river, tells a timeless tale. Ancient trees and whispers carried on the gale. Birds are softly calling, their songs fill the sky. In this dance of nature where our spirits fly. Oh, the waterfalls sing a melody so sweet. Streams are whispering secrets at our feet. In the embrace of flora, where the wildflowers bloom, we find our peace in nature's quiet room. Dear in foxes wander in the twilight's glow, beneath the canopy where dreams freely flow. In this sacred haven where the wild things are, we touch the earth and reach for the stars. Oh, the waterfalls sing a melody so sweet. Streams are whispering secrets at our feet. In the embrace of flora, where the wildflowers bloom, we find our peace in nature's quiet room. As the day turns to night and the stars appear, we carry the beauty of this place so dear. In our hearts forever, the waterfalls refrain, a reminder that nature's love will always